Effigies or idols are Eurocentric interpretations to constructed statues that serve as conduits for ancestral veneration. To the Igbo people, these statues or idols are called Ikenga or Okposi, and they hold significant roles within the spiritual and cosmological system of the Igbo people. These idols and effigies symbolizes the cosmic forces or natural spirits that exist within the Igbo spiritual and cosmological system. It embodies and serves as channels or conduits to unseen forces that act as intermediaries and intercessors. Therefore, to the Igbo people, the essence of imbuing these metaphysical and mythical ideologies into physical forms not only serve as conduits, but it also allows or creates room for cultural interpretations. For instance, the Igbo marking system, Igbo can be found within certain effigies as a semblance of the practice, of a cultural practice that exists amongst the Igbo people. Also, by imbuing these energies within effigies, it also paves or creates room for the integration of these cosmic forces within the framework of Igbo art and their varied expressions. By physicalizing these metaphysical concepts, the Igbo people create a tangible representation that facilitates their understanding of these cosmic forces, especially through actions such as the breaking of the kola and the pouring of libation. These actions connect them on a spiritual, intimate, and familiar relationship with these cosmic beings. These effigies also serve as conduits and portals that houses the essence of cosmic beings, and we regard them as the physical manifestation or representation of these cosmic beings. For instance, the essence of Amadioha can be imbued within an effigy, therefore serving as its physical manifestation and representation of Amadioha. The importance of this edification lies in our cultural approach to dealing with these ideologies and concepts that cannot be seen or understood with our natural senses. Therefore, it is important to note that the Igbo people do not venerate or worship these effigies and idols. Rather, they venerate what these effigies represent. That is the energy that has been imbued within them. This is why an Igbo ancestral shrine can be moved, dismantled, and rebuilt in another location, or a shrine destroyed by religious emissaries can be reinstituted. Therefore, burning a shrine does not destroy the energies or forces that govern it. It only destroys the effigies within the shrine. Nonetheless, these effigies are not the entirety of Igbo ancestral spirituality. This is because most communities within the Igbo system do not rely solely on the edifications of these cosmic forces. Instead, they perceive and interact with these communal forces through Anyanwu, the sun, which we perceive or which is being seen as the home to these cosmic and divine forces. And they can also communicate with these forces through Ikuku, the wind, which carries their intentions to the desired cosmic force in order to get a manifestation from such cosmic force. This therefore demonstrates the diverse ways in which the Igbo people connect with and honor the cosmic forces that guides and protects their life. And this, my friends, is the Igbo ancestral definition and perception of idol and effigies. And it also answers the question of if within the Igbo spiritual and cosmological system, the Igbo people are they idol worshippers or not? This interpretation that I have just given answers such questions.